Okay, y'all, I did a video about 2 hours ago, and I didn't have enough storage to get to the rest of my video. So this is my part 2 of me mopping the bathroom and getting on the laundry. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm just going to be mopping this bathroom really quick. So let me put y'all down so y'all can see me mop it, because I've already cleaned it. And how y'all doing today? Happy Saturday to you. I wish I was out shopping instead of cleaning. Or on a vacation somewhere. And I'm just using my lemon fabuloso because it just smells so clean, like lemon, and it reminds me of the summer, y'all. Okay, so that didn't take very long. Now, we're going to move on to the laundry room area here. Get it smelling nice and fresh, like somebody just cut a bunch of lemons open and just sliced them up. That's how lemony fresh this smells, y'all. I don't know about you guys, but when I clean with a product, I don't like using a bunch of separate products, because I want my house to smell like one thing at a time. When I use a bunch of different kind of smelling products, it gives me a headache, y'all. But that's just me. And I mean, why would you want your house smelling like 10 different things? I mean, some people might like that, but when I mop with something or I clean with a one something, then I want, you know, when you walk in the house, I want it to smell like that whole smell throughout, if that makes sense. And I just wanted to say hi to my new subscribers. Hi, y'all. Thank y'all for subscribing. So, I've got more laundry in here that needs to be folded, and then I've got, like, I don't know if y'all just saw my previous video, but my whole entire bed is full of laundry. And y'all, I've already mowed today. I've already done a video earlier today for y'all, and now I'm doing another video because I'm still not done cleaning, and it takes me sometimes 2 or 3 videos to get it all done. I can't do a whole house, unfortunately, because of a storage issue. So we just work with what we have, y'all. Just work with what we have.
also misery, it's no mystery. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Wherever love flows, there is also tragedy when we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history, yeah. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for all the pain. I'm sorry for all the pain. My love, it grows with the memories like a symphony. And you and I, we got history, yeah. And when you're alone, do you say my name or you say her name?